Hello guys, welcome to R Programming Tips. In this video, we will learn how to check if a directory exists or not, and if it does not exist, then we will try to create that and mark it as our working directory, current working directory. So directory is nothing but a folder. So if you see in this particular path, I have a folder named myexcel. So I'm going to check whether this folder exists or not. To do so, we have a command called basically function called file dot exists. Okay, so I'm gonna check whether that particular folder or directory exists or not in this particular. So file dot exists actually gives you a logical output, as you can see. So we have a true, that means that that folder exists. And if I go and change the name and I say run, you will see that there is no folder named myexcel1 in that particular folder. So now making use of that, I'm gonna create this. So first I'm gonna check, and if this folder exists, so we know that if statement only works when you have an logical output as true. So I'm gonna set it. If this folder exists, then I'm gonna set this folder or directory as my working directory. Okay, but if it does not exist, then I have to create it, right? So to do so, I'm gonna say else, and to create a directory, which simply use we use dir dot create, and then pass that path along with the directory name which you want to create. So I have that directory name here, and once I have created this, I will then set it as my working directory. And after this function, we will certain that whether that file exists or not. So I'm again gonna do this. And we can also check by saying get wd. Okay, so let's run this. So it's run. Let's check now if this directory exists. So you can see now it says true, whereas on my first attempt when I said it said false. And if I check my current wd, it will say d Mohit Sharma that exists. So sorry for this. And now we have this, and if I go here, you can see that I have a folder named myexcel1 now. So just to recap, we have file.exist to check whether the particular directory exists. We have to give a complete path along with the directory name which we are looking for. To create a directory, we have a function called dir.create, and this will tell us whether this will create the directory, and we can then set that with using setwd. And I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this particular tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.